If you're planning to move abroad in 2026, stop scrolling, because Luxembourg might be the most underrated country in Europe right now. We're talking about one of the highest salaries in Europe, low taxes compared to neighbors, and a fast-track work visa pathway that many people still don't know about. In this video, I'll break down the Luxembourg Work Visa 2026 step-by-step guide, including requirements, documents, job portals, and exactly how to apply. Let's get straight into it. First, why Luxembourg? This is a small but extremely powerful country in Europe. Here's why people are moving here. High salaries. Average salaries range from 4,000 to 7,000 euros per month depending on your field. Low income tax compared to France, Germany, Belgium. Strong job market in finance, IT and tech, logistics, engineering, and EU institutions. English-speaking jobs available. Huge advantage. Pathway to PR plus EU mobility. This is why Luxembourg is trending in 2026 for skilled foreign workers. What is the Luxembourg Work Visa? The main visa you'll apply for is short stay, type D, work visa plus residence permit. This is a two-step process. Get a temporary authorization to stay, then apply for a long stay visa, D visa. After arrival, convert to residence permit. Who is this visa for? This visa is for skilled professionals, degree holders, people with job offers from Luxembourg employers. High demand roles include software engineers, financial analysts, accountants, logistics managers, engineers, and healthcare professionals. If you have 2 to 10 years of experience, your chances are high. Requirements. Here's what you need. A valid job offer from Luxembourg. Employer must prove they couldn't find an EU candidate. Valid passport, relevant qualifications, degree or diploma, work experience proof, clean criminal record. Important, your employer plays a major role in your visa approval. Documents needed, prepare these documents. Passport copy, signed employment contract, CV and cover letter, very important, more on this later. Educational certificates, work experience letters, police clearance certificate, and proof of accommodation, which is sometimes required. Tip: keep everything in PDF plus properly named. This matters more than you think. Best job portals. Apart from LinkedIn, here are genuine job portals for Luxembourg. ADEM, Luxembourg National Employment Agency, Jobs.lu, Moovijob, EURES Portal, EU Jobs Network, Glassdoor Luxembourg, Indeed Luxembourg, ICTjob for tech roles, EuroBrussels for EU institution jobs. Pro tip: apply to 20 to 30 jobs per day for better results. CV and cover letter strategy. This is where most people fail. Do not use the same CV for every job. Instead, customize your CV for each job. Use keywords from the job description. Optimize for ATS, applicant tracking systems. This alone can double or triple your interview calls. Also, Luxembourg prefers a specific European CV format. Cover letters must be tailored to specific jobs as well. If you want, Luxembourg format CV ATS Keywords, ready-to-use templates. Reach out to us via email mentioned in the description box below, and we'll create these for you. This can massively increase your chances and reduce rejections. Step-by-step application process. Here's the full process. Step 1. Get a job offer. Apply aggressively using job portals mentioned before. Step 2. Employer applies for work authorization. They submit documents to Luxembourg Immigration. Step 3. Get temporary authorization to stay. You'll receive approval from immigration. Step 4. Apply for Type D visa. Submit at Luxembourg Embassy in your country. Step 5. Travel to Luxembourg. Step 6. Apply for residence permit. Within 3 days of arrival, declare your presence, then apply for residence permit. Key tips to succeed. Here are some insider tips. Apply early. Hiring cycles are competitive. Focus on in-demand roles. Tailor every application. Use a professional EU format CV. Network with recruiters. Biggest mistake: people apply randomly without strategy and get rejected. Luxembourg is one of the best hidden immigration opportunities in Europe right now. If you plan this properly, you can get a high-paying job, move to Europe, and build a long-term career. If you want help with CV optimization, cover letters, or job strategy, reach out via email or drop a comment with your job role, and I'll tell you your chances of settling in Europe and the programs you can apply for right away. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more immigration updates. For the next video, I'll show you countries hiring without job offers. Don't miss it.